Here I have pointed heel toes. I'm going to be unboxing them, but first and foremost, I do want to say thank you to the company for sending me these. These are beautiful white two-tone pointed heels. Go ahead and remove this paper. These are by the brand Arromic. Take a look at how beautiful this heel is. I absolutely love that it has that dip right here in the middle, so it's really going to elongate the legs. I love the two-tone. It is white and nude. And then take a look at the small heel. Very, very nice wide, then it goes small, and then a little square at the bottom for support. On the inside, they are nice and cushioned. These are in a size 8.5 for reference. They have a nice little adjuster right here. You're able to adjust the ankle band around there. This is what the bottom of the shoe looks like. These are available in a variety of colors. These are perfect for the summer or for wedding season. Super, super cute. If you're looking for some nice, comfortable pointed toe shoes, I would definitely recommend.
Take a look. I went ahead and tried them on. They are so nice, so comfortable. They fit perfect. I wore them throughout the day today, and they were really, really nice and comfortable to walk in. I definitely love that they have a short heel. So if you're looking for nice heel toe shoes, I would definitely recommend. These are perfect with a skirt or with jeans. 10 out of 10.